Hello fellow makers, I'm sitting here with the ginormous XTOOL S1 Laser Engraver. XTOOL reached out to me eager to work together, and as somebody who doesn't have a quality laser engraver in his workshop, I decided to take them up on it. The irony is, they then came back and said, sorry, you don't have enough subscribers for us. I thought that was interesting since they came to me, but fast forward a few months and I've blown past their requirements thanks to you, and the model they wanted me to review was no longer relevant. So covering that original model never came to be, as it's no longer relevant, and they went ahead and sent me a different model, which is this S1 basic kit. I look super forward to covering it. I hope I can attract an audience of S1 users and perhaps interest my 3D printer community into perhaps branching out into other ways of making. Those of you who may have had an eye on a laser tool, Black Friday sales are going on now, and XTOOL has told me this will be their most aggressive pricing for the entire year. You can go ahead and check it out. I'll leave a link. While working with laser tools is not my specialty, I will do my best to create useful content for you guys. Starting with getting this monster out of the box, set up, and test it. This is what the beautiful S1 tool looks like. I'm super excited to see what she can do.